Hello friends. Now I am going to discuss about the properties of moduli of complex numbers. There are almost 6 properties, but now I am going to discuss about the first 3 properties of this. Assume that z1 and z2 are two complex numbers of the form x1 plus iy1 and x2 plus iy2 respectively. So the LHS of the first property is mod z1 bar, which is equal to RHS mod z1. We know that mod z1 is equal to root of x1 square plus y1 square. z1 bar is the complex conjugate of z1, which is equal to x1 minus iy1. So therefore mod z1 bar is equal to root of x1 square plus minus of y1 whole square, which is equal to mod z1, and hence the proof. Now the second property is mod of z1 z2 is equal to mod z1 into mod z2. We have already studied that mod z square is equal to z into z bar. So take z mod z1 z2 whole square, which is equal to z1 z2 into z1 z2 whole bar, which is equal to z1 z2 into z1 bar into z2 bar. By taking the associative property, we get z1 z1 bar into z2 z2 bar, which is equal to mod z1 square into mod z2 square. Now taking the square root on both sides, we get mod z1 z2 is equal to mod z1 into mod z2. Now the third property is that mod of z1 by z2 is equal to mod z1 by mod z2. Take the LHS. Mod z1 by mod z2 whole square, which is equal to z1 by z2 into z1 by z2 whole bar. From the property of complex conjugate, we get z1 by z2 whole bar is equal to z1 bar by z2 bar. So this equation becomes z1 by z2 into z1 bar by z2 bar, which is equal to z1 into z1 bar divided by z2 into z2 bar, which is equal to mod z1 square divided by mod z2 square. Now taking the square root on both sides, we get mod of z1 by z2 is equal to mod z1 by mod z2. Thank you, dear friends.